I ho- In this video, we will discussing about the introduction to title graph in Python. So I will share you uh, open my running my algorithm. First of all, it's taking much time. Too much time is taking time to graphically interface create the title graph. Originally, the title graph just a physically object you like a board just can place sheet and paper infrastructure to move. Turtle graph object many methods to grouped in familiarly. So you can learn more about the method of the turtle module in Python library, the official document also. So now we can create one program to design auto design the turtle graphically interface. You can see. I will open it. It's too much pretty creating. So I will decided to run this program and the description and create a description in verbally. So originally turtle just have you can see the turtle method many methods to create and run a lot of videos and original document in Python library side. So now introduction advanced project to title graph with Python programming language. So let's see and you can see the visibility of the title graphics and if you have to new model to have look beginner level uh, task to get task from here all links code in description you can see the uh, very beautifully result in this side and I think we should open the one algorithm our algorithm it is here library title library here root object root screen object and you create see the function after see the function draw 20 lines and you can also see the multiple functions to draw lines and the length given to below 10 less than 10 and wide light and red light and yellow light you can also see the white light and I think scanny yellow magnetic white okay close up program you can see the uh, uh, one beauty uh, creating the beauty of the title designing with Python base. My English is not good. I will explain to more videos and innovative. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates. Any type of confusion you comment down description.